Guides are collections of saved places. We can build our own guides or find pre-made guides for a particular city or landmark. All of our favorited locations are automatically saved into the Favorites guide. When viewing the Favorites guide, the places saved here are displayed on the map. To add a new favorite, select the location and from the info panel, click the star button here. Doing this will add the location to our saved places and into the Favorites guide. We can also add favorites with a click on the Add button here in the Favorites panel. Then enter the name or address for the location to add as a favorite. Next, let's create our own guide for downtown Seattle. To add a location to a guide, click the More button down here in the info panel and add to guides. In this case, we want to create a new guide, which can be done from this Add button. From here, we can name the guide and add a photo for it as well. Now we can continue to add locations into the downtown Seattle guide. Next, let's look at some preset guides for Seattle. To do so, we need to do a search for the city. From here, we can browse several guides. Let's take a look at the First Timer's Guide to Seattle. That brings up a description and a list of all the locations within the guide. The locations are also displayed on the map. Here at the top, we have the option to add this entire guide with every location to our saved guides. But we can also add specific locations from these preset guides into our own guides. If the High Spot Cafe looks good, click the Add button next to it. That adds it to saved places. From here, it can then be added to my Downtown Seattle guide. There are a wide variety of preset guides to explore. They won't be available for every town or location, but most cities and tourist destinations will have preset guides available that we can view and save, or utilize them to build our own custom guides.